All right, so you're gonna be amazed at this simple little design technique that helped a client save $5,000 simply because everybody else says, you need a retaining wall, you need a retaining. No, you don't. Sometimes you can do something as clever as I'm gonna show you that changes the game and saves you what? 5,000 bucks. Let's go. What's going on? I'm Bobby K. I'm a professional landscape designer and general contractor. And make sure you stick around at the end of the video because not only am I going to share some numbers with you, but I got an announcement. We got something else we're working on. I cannot wait to share it with you. So, getting back to this, we were competing against like 3 other companies for this job. And the problem was that everybody saw these hillsides. They saw the front grade, they saw the backyard grade, and they thought, oh, we got to put a retaining wall in. Well, retaining walls are expensive, and there are ways with design that you don't always have to do that. So why don't we start in the backyard? Backyard had a slope, it had some existing rocks, not much going on, and the client wanted some grading and sodding and a landscape bed put together. Everybody else said, oh, you need to put a retaining wall in and backfill and make sure you level this out. You could do that, and you could free up about 5 to 6 more feet of yard space, but that wasn't so important to them. So instead, we pocketed boulders into the hillside, right? And then have plantings, and they can do future plantings, and brought that bed out and put edging around everything. So it's got rock, it's got boulders, it's got plants, and it's got edging that contain everything and help with the erosion. And by the way, this is fall when leaves are dumping like crazy, so the quality of this install doesn't look like it's gonna look in the spring, simply because everything's gonna be blooming by then. It's gonna be much prettier, less messy, all that. So take that, with you. The second thing is, let's go to the front. They already had a retaining wall there, but it was kind of hodgepodgey. They had some overgrown bushes and some things going on the walkway and the concrete driveway. They're gonna get addressed later. We're probably going to be putting that in. But in this one, we took out the wall and we brought the bed out and then just did edging along that slope. So if you've got some foundation showing, you've got a hillside and you're thinking, oh, I gotta have a retaining wall. Sometimes you don't. If you have enough room on your side where you can pull the bed out, then all of a sudden, you just saved yourself a bunch of money. So we did the same similar edging in the back that we did in the front. We brought it over, we cleaned everything up, we put in fabric, we put in rock, we put in some low maintenance bushes and called it a day. This entire project, from the grading, the sodding, the labor, the backyard, the front yard, came in a little bit below, I think, $12,000. If I had gone like every other company, they would have put a wall in the back and a wall in the front. That would have added on another 5 to probably 7 grand just because of this simple design technique. So if you've got some sloped areas, consider this way of thinking and save yourself some money. Now it's time for the announcement. I started another channel. This channel is geared towards landscape business owners, designers, future designers, or someone who's just kind of fed up with what they're doing and they're looking for a new career path. I am so pumped up about this. This is where I really get into the goods about the business side of all of this, like what all this is. Talk about sales, we talk about marketing, we talk about more than just the design principles, and we talk about leverage, how to go from 6 to 7 figures in your business with the simple things that I teach. If you're interested, go check out the other channel and make sure that you get on that email list, because I just put so much good, valuable content out that is literally like I'm giving it away. I want to help you. I want to make sure that you get to the next level in your business. So if you fall into that category, you're interested, go check it out. 7-Figure Landscaper. This is Bobby K saying creation is everything. So go out and create. I'll see you on the next video.